So a variable frequency drive is an inverter. It modulates power out to electric motors, and also it integrates into building automation. So not only does it control the line power out to the electric motor on the HVAC equipment, but it also integrates to building automation. So the building automation asks the drive to start the machine, stop the machine, what speed the machine is going to be running at, and then we can get a bunch of data points back from our variable frequency drive. Yes, the drive is running. Hey, the drive is in fault. Opening dampers, closing dampers. So we can integrate all of our building automation into the drive, and then we control the HVAC equipment from there. What we're doing today is ABB Retrofit. And it's really a huge benefit to the customer because it saves the customer time and money. So instead of ripping out the whole cabinet and repiping all the electrical that comes into that drive, you have to extend wiring, new piping, new junction boxes. It could be a very costly and very time-consuming project. And we have come up with a bunch of retrofits to be able to retrofit any ABB cabinet, and sometimes not even an ABB cabinet, to install a new inverter in and get that customer back up and running for a lot less money and in a much quicker time frame. So it's a really huge benefit to our customers. They seem to really enjoy it. I think it's a really big win for a lot of customers who don't have the time or the financial means to install new drives all the time. So definitely works out really well for them.